Using your EBT card on Uber Eats is a convenient way to access food delivery and pickup services while utilizing government assistance benefits. To get started, first ensure that you have a valid EBT card and that Uber Eats is accepted in your area. Begin by opening the Uber Eats app and creating an account if you do not already have one. Once you are logged in, navigate to the payment section of the app. In this section, you will be able to add a new payment method. Select the option to add an EBT card and enter the required information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. After adding your EBT card, you will need to verify your identity and eligibility to use the card on Uber Eats. This process typically involves providing some personal and card information, which will be used to confirm your identity and ensure that you are eligible to use the EBT card for food purchases. Once your EBT card is verified and added to your Uber Eats account, you can begin browsing the available restaurants and menus in your area. When you are ready to place an order, select the items you would like to purchase and proceed to the checkout. At checkout, be sure to select your EBT card as the payment method. It is essential to note that not all restaurants on Uber Eats accept EBT cards, so be sure to check the restaurant's details before placing your order. Additionally, some restaurants may have specific rules or restrictions for EBT card use, so it is crucial to review these before completing your purchase. When using your EBT card on Uber Eats, it is also important to keep track of your available balance to avoid any issues with your order. You can typically check your balance by contacting the EBT card customer service number or by visiting the EBT website. By following these steps and being mindful of the guidelines and restrictions, you can successfully use your EBT card on Uber Eats and enjoy convenient access to food delivery and pickup services.